Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to use the new background removal feature in MS Paint to remove the background from photos in just one click. This feature is currently available to Windows Insiders in the Dev and Canary channels, but it will be rolled out to everyone in the coming months. Open MS Paint and open the photo that you want to remove the background from. In the Selection Tools section, click on the Remove Background button. MS Paint will automatically remove the background from the photo. You can then draw something in the Remove Background area or splash a color there. Once you're happy with the results, click on the Save button to save the photo. That's it. That's how you remove the background from photos in MS Paint in just one click. This is a great new feature that makes it easy to edit photos in MS Paint. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.